what's up and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing not one, not two, but 3 easy to follow 4th of July makeup looks. And it's step-by-step process, so I got you. Alright, let's get to it. You already know, get your tapes ready. First look, okay, for the first look we're going to pack on a red along the crease of the eye with just a short little crease brush and just go alongside to the end of the tape and just have it really red. And then of course always make sure to blend it good with a blending brush, like so. Now we're going to cut the crease with some concealer, then we're going to swoop it up, and now once you do that, you're going to fill up the lid with the concealer. Now we're going to grab a white pigment and pack it on the concealer that you just applied, and you do not want to get it on the red, so stay along with the concealer. Now we're going to deepen the red shade by applying more red pigment onto the crease. Then we're going to act like if this would be eyeliner, so get some red eyeshadow and just act like if it was eyeliner for a base. Grab a red lipstick and, like I said, apply it on as if it were to be eyeliner. Now we're going to take this tape off and you'll get a fine straight line. Ooh. You want it to look sharp like this. What I have here is some tape with 3 stars drawn on them, and with some scissors we're going to cut them out. Now before we put the stars on our face, we're gonna put the base of the face stuff, the foundation and concealer and all that. And you don't have to make your own stars. You could literally like buy some star stickers at the store or whatever, but in this case I made my own, so yeah. Guys, it's time, put them stickers on. Then we're going with a bright blue color and then apply it on top of the stickers for the stars to have a blue glow. Then for the under eyes, we're gonna go with a shimmery blue color called Peace on the Living Color palette and just apply it under your eyes. And then we're going to take the stars off with some tweezers because I don't want to touch the blue eyeshadow. With a white makeup pencil, fill in the stars to give off the idea that these stars are obviously from the American flag. After filling up all the stars, we're going to put some mascara, and don't forget the lower lashes, and then we're going to put fake lashes after that. Using the white makeup pencil, you could color your waterline. And that's it for look number 1. Alright, so for look number 2, we're going to use concealer to go along with a shape that we're going with here is like a crease like that we just did from the other eye, and just connect it from the corner of your eye to the end of the tape and just fill it in. Now with the blue color, we're going to pack on the color onto the crease, but only half of it. What did I say? Half of it. Alright, so make sure to have it in a straight line, like so. Then we're gonna clean it up with some concealer to make it a really sharp straight line. Now with the red, we're gonna pack on a red straight line along the side of the shape that we just made with the concealer, and just really pack on that red and make sure it's a really bold, solid color. After that, we're going to do the same thing, but on the lash line of your lid. Then we're going to use some concealer to define that red line to make it really sharp and straight. After that, we're going to use the white makeup pencil and just draw some little stars. Although it would be a good idea to actually put on some little star stickers and then pack on the blue shade, but in this case I didn't think that before, but you could try that. And well, yeah, just make some stars. Take off that tape right now and look at that, it's so sharp. And anyways, for the under eye, we're gonna use some red, some white, and of course some blue on the lash line. And don't forget to put some highlight in the corners, and there you have it. We got our two looks right here and side by side. Now here's a view of it all up close and personal, so you can have a good look. Now the third look, the final look, the best look, the easiest look. No, I'm serious, it is easy. We're gonna use some red and just apply it on half of the crease, and then with the other side half of the crease we're gonna use some blue and just bring it up and then bring it down to the lid and put some more blue, just like how you're seeing it right now. And make sure to blend the red somehow with the blue to just make it like it's an ombre-ish color to make it look pretty. Now we're going to make a half cut crease, and you're going to stop where it's a little past the line between the red and the blue, and just fill it up with the lid. Then grab some white and put it right on top of the concealer that you just applied. And keep in mind that it is 4 in the morning as I'm filming this, and I look so dead. I'm so sorry about that. Now we're gonna add more blue and more red on top of what we already had to just not have it fade out. And then we're gonna go with the under eye, and it's gonna be the same color as the first look's under eye. Then add some highlight to the inner corner of the eye and the brow bone to make it look really shiny and really cute. Alright, so those are the 3 looks that y'all could slay and look fly on the 4th of July. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to see more videos coming up your way. And hope y'all have a blast with your friends, family, boyfriends, dogs, girlfriends, whatever. And I will see you guys in the next video. Anyways, bye.